Welcome. Non-sleep, deep rest can be transformative to a life overstressed, increasingly restorative the more time you invest. This brief journey will alleviate symptoms of tension and rejuvenate energy stores as we intentionally relax. Find a good position, sitting down or lying back, legs and arms apart slightly, and whatever your favorite lighting might be. Let's begin with focus on breath. Notice the rhythm, the rise and fall of your belly and chest. Now, when it's time to breathe in, make it extra deep and slow. Then hold your breath and feel your blood flow through vessels as you count to 5. Breathe out for 5 slow beats. Today, we set an intention to thrive. Focus attention on the top of your head, where you carry the weight of your crown. Tighten the scalp to find the tension and hold. Then relax those same areas. Let that tension melt down. Imagine a warmth at the top of your head, and as it spreads, you feel the touch of gentle energy bathing you in ease. Let go willingly. Now bring your focus to your face with special attention on your eyes. Notice any tightness or furrows that form during the day as routine tensions arise. Gently squeeze the muscles and hold. Now relax. Let your skin soften. Let the tightness unfold. From forehead to chin, eyes loose, jaw muscles slack. When your face feels like it's being massaged, you're on track. Feel the warmth spread to your shoulders and neck. Hone in on any tension you can detect, and again, flex the area and hold. Relaxation comes next. Let the shoulders unclench. Let stiffness melt away. Visualize the cool airflow through your unrestricted airway. Now pay attention as your chest and belly expand and contract. Let each breath slowly fill lungs, side to side, from front to back. Let the warmth from before ooze into your body like air as your vessels relax, as your cells repair. Now lower back and torso. Draw your awareness to the effect of daily tension. This region humans hold tight with the weight of stress. Squeeze your muscles to increase the tension and hold. Then relax as the tension becomes immeasurably less. Move to your thighs. Move to your thighs. Feel their mass press into the surface below. Notice any tension and prepare to let it go. Flex both front and back until your muscles hug the bones and hold. Then relax. Feel the warmth massage as stress vacates the zone. Finally, on the calves and feet, your walking foundation. Daily pressure and pounding can impede your circulation. Feel for pressure points of constriction. Squeeze it all tight and hold. By now, you can make a prediction. Ease will come. Blood will easily flow. You can tap into this calm whenever and wherever you go. Focus again on slow breaths to let the calm linger. When you're ready, wiggle your toes and fingers. Focus on this moment. Feel the rejuvenation reside. Slowly sit up and open your eyes wide. You've identified the toll of tension and found a sense of release. In times of stress, come back here in your mind and reclaim your inner peace.